Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now we have to tap on edit, so this pencil icon, and tap on, let me quickly remove it, so tap on this circle here. Now you can either tap on the camera and your device will open the camera up so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can select a photo from the gallery, and I will pick the camera because I do not have anything saved in my gallery. So let me quickly just take a photo of those. Alright, tap on the stick icon, and now we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on done, and tap on done in the right upper corner too. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.